Dismantle him, unhand him over, free this gentleman, end tale of argument. The fumes enter and, deliberating his speech, one in the crowd spits, the other smokes from the end of a tip. Louis Armstrong's lips come floating in from mist. Another guy dully stands, with an arm rested on plastic tits. Pleasant bunch, the scream under a short woman's arms. Dismantle him, the short woman's arms say. In a position, and in no sense, sage burns. Patriotic anarchists making poetic comments and side glance. Someone is here because of allowance. Nighthawks' mom shines in the sky like luminance. Dark oil trees shake. Animosity muffins make them gay. Polite assholes talking of the new shooter. Disillusioned minds talk of ethics. Beth and Ed, it's an old skull whose bright eyes have insanely caught. A lunatic with no peace. Dismantle him, unhand him over, free this gentleman, end tale of argument. The fumes enter and, deliberating his speech,